Good afternoon, it's Brian Stevens at eXp Realty. I'm excited to show you 3027 Pearly Drive. This is located in Highlands Grace, which is in southeast Lakeland. So I'm going to walk you through this. You can see by the outside we have a 3-car garage. This home is only 4 years old. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, little over 2,400 square feet. And it's a really nice layout. One owner. And let's take a look at the layout on this. All right, so when you first walk in, you're gonna see the area you can use as a separate sitting area, living room, if you will. It's a nice open floor plan. Check out this kitchen. Plenty of counter space, large island. It's got stainless steel appliances, ceramic tile flooring in a lot of the main areas. So as we back up here, let me give you this view again. No rear neighbors. So it's really a triple bedroom split plan. So as we walk through, you're gonna notice that down this way is a bedroom. There's a Jack and Jill bath connected to another bedroom in the back of the fridge area, if you will. And then another 4th bedroom in the back along with the bath, full bath. So let's take a look. First of all, we'll go to the master suite area. So you can see it's got tray ceilings. This is built by Highland Homes. It's a gated community right over off of 540A. We'll take a look at the backyard in a minute, even more so, but you can see nobody behind you currently. Nice size home. Now, as you come into the master bath, you'll see double sinks. It's got the nice framed mirrors, lots of cabinets, plenty of counter space. Walking over to the right, it's got the toilet room here. It's how really nice and pretty this shower is. You've got the ceramic tile, gray, which is really nice and in. Even a Lostello here with the natural light. Linen closet here to the left. And then this is a really nice size master bedroom closet. Sometimes it's hard to tell from video, but then it winds around this way too. So plenty of space to hang clothes. You could easily put additional shelving in here, upper or lower, or even do a California closet or something. And there's a little bit more space behind here. Kind of tuck that in. So plenty of room for additional shelving if you wanted to do that or needed to. If you have a lot of stuff, which, hey, we're in America. That's just kind of part of the culture, good or bad, right? Looking into the main area of the home, you'll see the eating space here, put a round table, something like, it's almost like a nook area. And then there's area here underneath the counter if you want to put some bar stools in there. Plenty of areas to do it there. So let's head to the, actually I'm gonna go back to the front of the home. I'm gonna keep it easy for you to follow. Now, as we go straight ahead, you're gonna see this great laundry room. This is really nice. Folding counters, again, more cabinetry. The washer dryers here. It's a nice GE with shelving here. And if you're looking for a pantry for a nice sized family for food storage, check out this pantry. This is bigger than my closet at home. This thing's huge. It winds all the way around. And everything's in really nice condition. This home looks brand new. I mean, it's been really well taken care of. Going down this hallway, kind of nice and private. There's a linen closet here. You'll see this is one of the bedrooms, closets to the right. And they've got nice ceiling fans up here, a little bit, some, I guess, shades, if you will. And then check out this Jack and Jill, which goes right this way. Kind of the same setup as the master bedroom. You've got nice, plenty of counter space, cabinets, really deep drawers here also, with the nice wood framed mirrors. And then here is your, this does have a tub shower combination. And some little upgrades here with ceramic tile flooring. And again, they did a really nice job with the tile on this. It's good and neutral. So let's head this way to the other bedroom. Closet area, your window is to the right. And then straight across the hall would be your fourth bedroom, your back bedroom. Okay, with closet space. So really nice and well laid out. Let's look at the front here. I didn't show you that. Again, nice drawers here. Got your dishwasher, good sized sink. And so everything is really neat as a pin. Got Samsung appliances. Same here all the way around, Samsung. All right, so let's head to the back and show you the under truss lanai, which has got the flowcrete for the flooring. So let me show you to the right. This is that door that's in the back bathroom, the third bathroom. So some could call it a pool bath, if you will, or just something to go outside. But the yard is nice and private, nobody behind you. They are building homes currently down the way here. So I'm sure at some point you're gonna have some neighbors, but I think they'll be far enough back to where you're still gonna have really good privacy. And this home sits up high, so you can kind of see, they have PVC vinyl fencing behind it, but there are some nice trees for blockage and another tree here. You've got gutters in the back. Nice to have in Florida for those heavy rains. And then this is toward the front of the home. I'll walk you over here while we're outside to kind of show you. And then you can see next door, they've got the PVC fencing too. So if you want to kind of join that, you easily could do that. And then your air conditioner is over there. So this is a really nice home. Publix is 2 minutes up the road. There's 2 Publixes actually, really close. Valley View Elementary, George Jenkins High School, Scott Lake Elementary. It's all really close. Nice established neighborhood. And let me show you this too. This is, I think it's a really good feature. So Highlands Grace is a nice sized neighborhood. You can get into the neighborhood off 540A. It's a pretty good sized neighborhood. So here's a really nice thing about this. There's a back entrance, a back gate you can get through. Now these guys, they're doing pavers in their driveway, a couple doors down. So there's a heavy machinery out here, but you can see past the truck. Line going right there is a gate. Like 2 or 3 houses down from that truck. That's the gate that you can access, and you're literally 5 or 6 homes into the neighborhood and you're right here. The other way to go in is this way, and there's some nice common areas and that sort of thing throughout the neighborhood. But again, great home, wonderful family home, 3027 Pearly, Lakeland, Florida, 33812. Love the coloring, plenty of driveway space. If you'd like some more information on this home, reach out to me, 863-647-8600. If you have any questions about real estate, about listing, about purchasing, got a great team. We'd love to assist you and just kind of talk about where you are regarding your real estate needs. So just remember this, I'll leave you this, whether selling or buying, you gotta call Brian. Have a great day. If you like videos like this, do me a favor. If you would like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, even hit the notifications button. Whenever I drop more walkthrough videos like this, other real estate valuable tips for anybody looking to buy or sell in Central Florida. We're in Polk County, but anywhere in Central Florida, love to be a resource for you. Do me a favor, do that now.